one of the things from our bucket list have been ticked out. This is the Run of Kutch. The actual tent, it has no walls. Everything is made out of cloth. So that is the full moon. So हम यहाँ पे full moon के time आए हैं. And very nice. So we are now checking out of this gorgeous property here at Run of Kutch and moving on with the next adventure, that is exploring these beautiful places here at Run of Kutch and doing touristy things around. Super excited to see all these places because बहुत सारे historic importance वाले places भी हैं and also ऐसे places हैं जो world में only यहाँ में present है. So let's go explore some places and take you on a journey while we do so. Destination here at sightseeing in Kutch. So we are going to Kalo Dongar, which is the highest point. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे गाड़ी बुक किया है, जीप करके जा रहे हैं on that Kalo Dongar का point and वहाँ पे ये लोग एंटी ग्रेविटी वाला point भी दिखाएंगे. Plus they will also take you to the temple, which is like 400-year-old temple. So 2 points cover करेंगे in this ride. Kalo Dongar. This is the highest point in this area and from this area you can experience and see the panoramic view of the all around Kutch. You can see the Run of Kutch as well, which is breathtaking from this view. So that behind me is the Shri Dattatreya temple. This temple is 400 years old. People of this area believe in this temple a lot. So ये temple के आजू बाजू there are a lot of these shops also which are offering handicrafts. They have these Gujarati dresses, hats, tops, everything that you can buy over here. Shawls as well. So बहुत सारे ऐसे अच्छे मार्केट हैं यहाँ and I'm going to take photos over here, but other than that you can see the view behind is absolutely beautiful. There's a Run of Kutch and वहाँ पे कच्छ का लेक भी दिख रहा है, which is so stunning. And ये कच्छ का highest point है. This is 400 meters above sea level. You can also see the last village of India. वहाँ पे इंडिया का last sunset भी होता है. So from this point you can view all of that as well. And if you come here in the evening, you can also witness the sunset. So it's lunch time currently and lunch के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे टेम्पल के वहाँ पे खाना सर्व हुआ जा रहा है. That is free food and having a simple temple food over here. cancer that is passing through India over here. Now in India there are 8 different states from where the Tropic of Cancer passes. It is the most northerly circle of latitude of Earth, and this is where it passes. It's actually in the middle of the here in Bhuj city, and यहाँ पे the museum was established in the year 1877, which was initially an art college and now is converted to a museum. The entry ticket to this museum is ₹5. Inside the museum there are clips, there are pictures, findings from which dates back to the 1st century as well. So very old things are also present at this museum. Back visiting the museum, hardly 10 minutes laga to cover the entire museum. It's a 2-story building and not much things are inside the museum. It could be skipped as well if you aren't into history, art and culture. Aina Mahal. This is an 18th century palace here built in Bhuj. It was built by Rao Lakhpati ji and it was designed by this person called as Ram Singh Malal in the 18th century. Iska style is of European style because the architect Mr. Ram Singh Malal, he lived in Europe for 18 years and therefore he learned a lot of the architecture and style of the Europeans. That is how it is designed over here. We came out after seeing the museum and it is very nice and a pretty museum. On the walls of the museum everywhere there is mirrors because back in those days वहाँ पे electricity नहीं हुआ करता था. To reflect the sunlight they used mirrors and पूरा महल वहाँ पे तभी रोशन होता था. So that was the psychology behind having all the mirrors inside. वहाँ पे राजा का रेस्ट रूम was also being displayed. वहाँ पे भी every wall पे there were mirrors. बहुत सारे artifacts रखे थे. There were paintings, there are pictures of people. Also Raja Lakhpati ji, he was the ruler of Kutch in the 17th century and he ruled Kutch for a very long period of time. See behind me is the ruins of the palace. 2001 में भुज में एक बहुत बड़ा earthquake आया था. Due to the reason, a lot of the parts of the palace have been fallen down. But luckily there are few parts that could be visited still now and have been preserved by the government, which is so much appreciated, so that we can revisit history and know our culture and strong heritage that India holds. सब जगह खाया होगा, but this is दाबेली inside an ice cream like cone. जो दाबेली का मसाला है which is inside the deep fried cone and यहाँ पे ऊपर से शेव डाल के दिया है. So let's try out. This is a unique and an interesting way of eating दाबेली. If you don't like पाव, you can opt for this. ये यहाँ पे स्पेशल है, मैंने यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी नहीं देखा है. मसाला फ्राई हो गया है, पाव की जगह. So here in Kutch area, there's a sweet shop shop called as Khawda, which is famous for its sweets. The Gulab Pak over here is very famous. यहाँ के बहुत सारे franchisee है. This shop is around all over Bhuj. You can find this shop in the city area. Right now, and we are at our last destination, that is touring around Kutch. So we are at this place called Hira Lakshmi Park, which is a beautiful garden which has lot of things that you can do for leisure. There's a light show, there's fountain that you can come here and enjoy. Garden here is very beautiful. There are many monuments that you can click pictures with. There's a big parliament house as you enter the garden, and it's so beautifully lit with these beautiful colors on it, and it looks so nice. And also the fountain around it is also so beautiful. This is actually a garden dedicated to the Indian freedom struggle. So बहुत सारे ऐसे parts, ऐसे monuments और forts ऐसे बहुत सारे बनाए हैं. Of the Yellow Fort of Gujarat. It's a very beautiful replica and looks so real. Inside there's a library, photo area, and there's also a canteen inside here. So बहुत ही अच्छा ऐसा बनाया है, and it looks so realistic.
संदेश है लहराते खेतों में वैशाखी नाच के आई है, मन को बहुत लुभाई है. तपस्या बलिदान की नींव पर खड़ी ये पुरातन सभ्यता की ठोस इमारत है.
garden/museum. यहाँ पे अंदर एक म्यूजियम भी है. Closes at 6:30, so we weren't able to go inside. But this was a very beautiful garden. हमको लाइट शो भी देखने को मिला, in which इंडिया का सारे अच्छे places plus इंडिया का history, its culture, its tradition, all were displayed very beautifully in the night show, and it was such a nice and a very patriotic moment for all of us. And last में end किया with Jana Gana Mana also, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये garden को visit करके. So yeah, do visit this museum if you come over here. Alright, so this brings us to the end of our Kutch trip here in Gujarat, and it was such a wonderful trip that we had. One of the things I have checked off the bucket list. I'm so happy of ending this 2021 in such a lovely note. Thank you so much for watching this video. There will be more travel content coming really soon on the channel, so do watch out for that. And for that, you have to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below, have you ever been to Kutch? I would love to know that as well. And thank you, and I'll see you in a new place in a new city. Bye bye.